Okay, hi everyone. So welcome to ASR Academy. So in this video we'll be learning about consection of pair of tangents. So this thing you will be going to get in exam for the 4 marks. Actually, you have two options. Okay, for the consection, in the consection part you have two things. One is consection of pair of tangent and second is consection of similar of triangles. So రెండు దానిలో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు exam కి. Okay, so construction of similar of triangles, so already I have explained in the previous video, so you can search on the YouTube in the channel. Okay, in the YouTube channel ASR Academy. So today we'll be learning about construction of pair of tangents. So here I have taken a question. The first question is, you draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Okay, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. You have to take a point at a distance 5 centimeter away from the center, from that point you have to draw the pair of tangents. Okay, so I have also written the steps to draw the consection. Okay, we'll start. So you can see that we have in step 1. So in step 1 you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So you just take a point on a paper. Okay, make them as an O. You have to draw a circle of a radius 3 centimeter. So I'm just rough diagram. I'm taking this circle as in 3 centimeter radius. Next, mark a point P at a distance 5 centimeter away from the center and join OP. So you have to mark a point from the center which is at a distance 5 centimeter. You have to join OP. Next, draw the bisector of OP and intersect OP. So next you have to draw the bisector of OP and you will be going to get a point as an M. So draw a circle intersecting previous circle. Next you have to take M as in center, MO and MP as a radius. You have to draw a circle. So this new circle will be intersecting a previous circle at 2 points. This is A and this is B. Next you need to join PA and PV. Okay, this thing I have explained roughly. So now you will be doing this thing practically on the paper with the help of the pencil and compass. So just you need to take, I have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter with center O. So I am just taking a scale. Okay, with the help of a scale. So I need to take a measurement of 3 centimeter. Okay, so I will be taking the measurement of 3 centimeter. So I'm just marking this point as a center, and this is I'm just drawing a radius of 3 centimeter. I'm just drawing a circle of a radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so he told me that this center point should be marked as an O. Second one is, mark a point P at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. You have to mark a point. So next step is, we will be marking a point at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. So I have marked a point 5 centimeter from the center. Next is you join this point O to P. So this is P, we have marked at a 5 centimeter from the center. Now we have to join OP. Next is, draw a bisector of OP intersecting OP at M. So next step is, you have to draw the bisector of OP. So how can you draw the bisector? Okay, you just take take P as a center and a radius of more than half. Okay, draw two arcs. Okay, this is a way how can you now O as a radius with the same distance or the measurement, you draw the other arc. You can say these two arcs are intersecting and you have to join them. Okay, so we will be joining them. Okay, we are joining them. So next step is, so as we got the bisector of OP, so we will be marking this bisector of OP as an M. So next step is saying that take M as a center and MO and MP as a radius. Now you have to take this M as a center, MO and MP as a radius. You have to draw a circle. So the new circle will be intersecting the previous circle at 2 points at A and B. So we will doing the same thing. M as in center, MO as in radius. So I am just drawing a circle. Okay, so I have drawn a circle. You can see here the new circle is intersecting a previous circle, this point. This is the point A and this is the point B. Next you have to join P to A and P to B. You have to draw a line, so which will be your pair of tangents. See, join P to A. Next you have to join P to B. So here I have joined P to A and P to B. So these two are the pair of tangents. Okay. So this is the one type of question they may ask you. So I will just explain once more. So you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. You take a point at a distance 5 centimeter away from the center of circle. You have to draw the pair of tangents. The first step is you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Next you have to take a point P which is 5 centimeter away from the center. Next draw the bisector of OP and mark the point as an M. Next MO and MP as an radius, you have to draw a circle. This circle will be intersecting the previous circle at 2 points A and B. So join P and PB, that will be our required tangent. Okay, so now I have taken some other question. See, at the right side I wrote a second question. See, the question is saying that you draw two concentric circle of radius 3 and 5 centimeter. So construct a pair of tangents. You have to construct a pair of tangent from a bigger circle to a smaller circle, and also you have to measure the distance and verify. You have to measure the distance and verify. Okay. So actually I have just modified the question. The question which is given in the textbook is construct a pair of tangent to the circle of a radius 3 centimeter from a point of concentric circle of 5 centimeter, and also measure their lengths and verify with the help of a actual calculation. So I will just follow the steps. So in the what is our first step? First step ante draw a concentric circle of radius OA 3 and OB as 5. So we will be drawing the two circles. This is the first circle. You can mark this as an O. This is A. Next is OB. Next, find the midpoint of OB. This is the OB. We have to find the midpoint with the help of a bisector. We will be finding the midpoint. Next, we will marking this point as an M. Next, M as a center, MO or MB as a radius. You have to draw a circle. New circle will be intersecting this circle at a 2 point. Okay, at a 2 point. This new circle will be intersecting the 3 centimeter circle, 2 points P and Q. Mark this as an P, this as an Q. Join B to P, B to Q. These are the required triangle. Next, you have to take the help of a scale. You just measure the length, and you have to do the actual calculation with the help of a Pythagoras theorem. The same thing I will be doing on the paper. Okay. So first step is we have to draw a concentric circle of radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So I am just taking the help of okay. So you have to draw a circle of 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So first I am drawing a circle. Your wish. You have to draw a concentric circle. Your wish. So first I am drawing a circle of 5 centimeter. So next I will be drawing a circle of 3 centimeter. So now I am drawing a circle of 3 centimeter. Okay, so as you can see, I have drawn a circle. So I have drawn a circle of OA as a radius 3 centimeter and OB as a radius 5 centimeter, two concentric circle. Now is saying that you have to bisect OB. So we will be bisecting OB. So you know how to, or else you can take the help of a scale. So I am just drawing a bisector of this. So I have drawn the bisector of OB. You have to take this point as an M. Okay, find the midpoint of OB by bisector, mark as an M. Next, M as a radius, M as a center, and MO and B as a radius. So M as a center, MO and MB as a radius. You have to draw the circle. See, we have drawn a circle. You can see that this new circle is intersecting the previous circle of 3 cm at this point. This is 1, this is 2. They are marking this point as an P, this marking Q. Now you have to join BP and BQ. Now join BP and BQ to get the required tangent. BP and BQ, these are the required tangent. Now it's saying that you have to find the length of this. So length was around 3.6. okay, so PB and PQ should be of equal. This is 4. okay, so we are getting both the lengths of the force equal. okay, so we have measured the length of, you have to measure the length of BP and BQ right here. So it is around 3 point something 9, or it is equal to 4 centimeter around. okay, so you are getting both are same, and also you can verify with the help of Pythagoras theorem. See, if you draw with the help of Pythagoras theorem, see here, so if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, as we know, so this is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side. This is of 3 centimeter, this is 5. By the help of triplets, we know that this should be of 4. okay, ఇది 3 ఉంది, ఇది 5 ఉంది, ఇది 4 ఉండాలి. So we will going to get this one as an 4 centimeter. We got this both as an 4 centimeter. We have to write by the help of Pythagoras theorem, this OP square plus PB square is equal to OB square. okay, that thing you have to write. okay, while verifying, you have to write OP, this OP square plus PB square is equal to OB square. So this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So 25 is equal to 25. So we have verified with the help of Pythagoras theorem. okay, the value which you got, the tangents, is correct. okay, so this is the thing they will be asking the exam. You will be asking to draw the pair of tangents and measure and verify. You have to measure with the scale, and with you have to verify with the help of Pythagoras theorem. okay, so these are the simple question. So in an exam you have in some other question. okay, so I am just taking the third type of question. So these are simple questions. okay, third type of question is, so here he is asking you have to draw the, so I am just writing a question. You have to draw a pair of tangent to circle of radius. Actually the question which I have explained just now, 2 questions they have asked in the exam, but this is a third type. So if you are willing to listen, you can listen or you can skip. okay, so he is asking, he is saying that which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So which are inclined to each other at 60 degrees. So he is saying that, so we have a circle and we have a tangent to the circles, and the circle, yes, we have a draw a pair of tangent to the circle of radius 5 centimeter. okay, the circle whose radius is 5 centimeter, you can say this is a circle whose radius is 5 centimeter, and we have 2 pairs of tangent which are inclined at a 60 degrees angle. You have to draw this consection. So how will you draw? So whenever you want to draw the pair of tangent, you should know this hypotenuse, the distance between center and the point, exterior point P. So first step, so here we have to find the OP. So if you find OP, then we can draw the pair of tangents. So here, as he is given that it is 60 degrees, so this will be the bisector, so angles will be divided into 30 30. So if you take this one as an, you can take this as an right angle triangle, because at this the angle made by this tangents and perpendicular line will be 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of Pythagoras we can say that OA square plus AP square is equal to OP square. Okay. Or else we can apply the trigonometry ratios. See here, so this is a right angle triangle, so I'm just drawing this triangle here. So this is a right angle triangle, this is A, and this is, you can say, O, and this is nothing but P. So this is 30 degrees, and we know the value of OA is 5 centimeter. We have to find the value of OP. So you want to find the value of OP, so we can apply the trigonometry ratios. The trigonometry ratios which is related to the hypotenuse and base is cos theta. So here if I apply cos 30, so sin 30, this is opposite to this, so sin 30 is equal to AO by PQ. So AO value is 5, we have to find the PO. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by PO. If you cross multiply, we'll get the value. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So PO value we got as 10 centimeter. So the distance between OP is 10 centimeter. It is very easy. So now first you have to construct a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Next you have to take a point P from the center which is at the 10 centimeter. Next draw the bisector of this OP, will be going to get here. Okay, so next you have to draw a circle with the center of M. So it will be intersecting at 2 points. This is A, this is B, and next you have to join P, B and PA, and you will see that the angle will be inclined at 60 degrees. Okay, so whenever any question is asked in this way, so you need to find this hypotenuse. Okay, PO value, if you know this PO value, make PO value solution unko. If you know the distance between center and exterior point P from where you want to draw a tangents, so if you know this distance, then you can draw the consection. So if any question is asked, first step is you need to find whether you have OP or not, the distance between center and exterior point. If it is not there, you have to find with the help of a trigonometry ratios. Okay, thank you for keep watching.